I had a plan for this pour, but the paint had a vision of its own. Welcome back to the Art of Yaomi. Today I'm working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas using bright pink, violet, yellow, light blue, and white. My goal for this pour, I wanted this piece to feel energetic and expressive, but I didn't expect one color to take the lead the way it did. This palette will begin to feel a little festive for the winter season, but sometimes that's exactly what we need. When the days are quieter and the colors around us fade, a little brightness can bring energy back into the moment. Using bold, vivid colors during this time of the year is a reminder that creativity doesn't have to follow the season. Sometimes adding color is how we warm things up, lift the mood, and create a sense of joy when everything else feels muted. There's something about these colors that feel like a celebration. The brightness, the contrast, the way they move together. It also feels joyful, almost like a surprise waiting to be opened. Bright pink, violet, yellow, and light blue don't whisper, they show up with energy. That's what I love about using colors like this. They don't just create a painting, they create a feeling, a reminder that art can be lighthearted, expressive, and full of joy, even when the outcome wasn't planned. After pouring the colors, I use a wooden skewer to gently move through the paint, creating a soft zigzag line across the surface. This step adds intention without overworking the canvas, just enough movement to introduce rhythm and guide the eye. Once the zigzag design was in place, I tilted the canvas to allow the paint to stretch and respond. Tilting transforms those lines, pulling them into flowing paths and unexpected shapes. What starts as a simple gesture becomes layered movement, and the design evolves naturally as gravity takes over. This is part of the fluid art that keeps me coming back. You don't always get what you imagine, but you often get what you need. The paint teaches you to adapt, to observe, and to trust the process instead of forcing control. As the colors settled, I focused on enhancing the abstract movement, allowing lines and shapes to form naturally within the flow. Every pass revealed something new, something unexpected. One of the biggest surprises in this pour was how the bright pink took over the canvas. I wasn't expecting it to lead the composition, but sometimes the color has more momentum than you anticipate. Bright pink is highly pigmented and very active. When it's mixed thinner or placed near lighter colors, it tends to travel faster and spread wider. As the canvas was tilted, the pink naturally moved first, stretching across the surface and claiming space before the other colors had a chance to settle. And honestly, that's acrylic pouring. You can plan your palette and your movement, but once gravity and flow steps in, the paint makes its own decision. Instead of fighting it, I let the paint define the piece, and in doing so, it gave the painting its personality. The longer you look, the more the painting reveals. By the end, the piece had a personality of its own, bold, expressive, and unapologetic. The pink didn't overpower the painting, it defined it. Be sure to like and subscribe, and remember to stay creative and keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.